Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Michael in here with us today, and Michael was referred in by his friend Blake, who's a patient here. And that's a lot of our patients are referrals from other satisfied and happy patients. And Blake, are you happy with your care?
Always happy with my care here.
Yep.
It's literally the best adjustment I've ever had in my life.
There you go. Cool.
There you go, buddy.
All right, so I've already done Blake's orthopedic neurological evaluation and history. Was that comprehensive, by the way?
Yes.
And you've been to other chiropractors in the past. Did they examine you as thoroughly as I did?
No, they don't.
You should relax your arms for me. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. Now, Blake comes in here complaining mostly of low back pain and right-sided SI joint pain. And back to neutral. Now, see, I can tell he's a stomach and side sleeper because his head's forward and translated over to the right, and his pelvis has shifted left of center on the x-axis. So he's got global subluxations in his cervical thoracic spine and his thoracolumbar and lumbosacral spine regions. So I'm going to change things up a little bit today on Michael's adjustment. When I was doing his examination on his spine, he had a tremendous amount of thoracolumbar stress and subluxation. So, Michael, come over here. I'm going to have you get on your knees down there and put your face up in here for me, please, sir. This is a Gonstead knee-chest adjustment. Kind of let your spine just sink in gravity there. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That was a deep one. Now let's come back over here on your tummy. Uh-huh.
Whoa.
You ever had that done before?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I know you did.
tummy?
Go, yeah.
Oh my God.
See, that evened his legs up just doing that. I bet you that felt easier than the first time I did it.
Yeah, it actually.
Imagine that. So I'm going to adjust your side joints here now. You're a lot lighter than the last patient I had, so I have to adjust my table. Okay, now some of these are going to be a little sore at first, Michael, just because they've been out for a while. Michael was in an automobile accident back in 2007, and he's had problems really ever since then. You thought I got all the cracking all out of the way already, huh? Crack egg's going to love you. Slide down this way a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. And he's got a lot of allergy issues, which a lot of people here in Houston do, including myself. Slide this way. Welcome to Houston, huh? It's that time of the year too when all the pollen's out from the trees and the blooms. Grass. Slide down this way about an inch. And we're going to have you put your arms out to the side. I'm adjusting both shoulders now and your anterior ribs. It should help your breathing. Okay, you can put your hands on your stomach for me, please. Let me have this leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah.
There we go. Super. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way towards Blake. There we go. And just relax. Keep your chin up. I know you have a tendency to drop your head a lot. You work on the computer a lot? Or iPhone texting all the time?
I do that, yeah.
TextNet?
I do text. I'm on the phone a lot.
Text neck, by the way, is where you're texting all the time and you reverse the cervical curve. You're supposed to have a nice, smooth, forward lordotic curve. When you, like this, you're reversing the curve in your neck. That's what text neck is. But you don't have a lot of problems in your neck, but you have frequent headaches. Right?
Yeah.
So, it just goes to show you that, let's come over here on this table now. Even though you don't have pain in an area, you can still be subluxated in that area, but down here, that can cause other health issues such as headaches, migraine headaches, nausea, dizziness. Yeah, you in there tight enough? You want me to get one more? Help you with your weight reduction program? There you go. Just breathe shallow through your nose. You had good reflexes before, so I'll check you afterwards to make sure you're still alive. There you go. That's why we call it ring dinger.
Oh man, I wasn't ready for that.
I know. There.
Oh.
Let me do it. There you go. Super.
Ooh.
I made you break a sweat there, Michael.
Wow. Oh, my
That's your autonomic nervous system kicking in gear.
Oh man.
Now, when you get up, turn sideways and push yourself up with your arm. Bring your legs over. Yep. Stand right here in front of the mirror for me again, please. Yes, sir. So, what I'm going to have you do is close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me again. That's already better range of motion in biomechanics. Take a look in the mirror at neutral. So you're right square down the middle right now. Look at the spacing now, it's even on both sides. You see the difference?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so you still need to work on your head and your shoulders though, so pull your shoulders up and back. Yep, like that. Flare these guys way back here. Yeah, it tightens up your whole trap.
Mm-hmm.
And then see your head's forward, so we want to bring it back. You might want to spread your feet a little further apart so I'll knock you over. And then look at the wall behind you. Squeeze those shoulders together. There you go. This is your homework right here. 15 repetitions 3 times a day. This is called mirror image exercises. I'm putting you in a mirror image of your current biomechanical configuration. Okay, now relax. I wasn't stapling you together there. Okay, flex your head forward and backwards again. Tell me if this feels any different to you than the previous ones.
Yeah.
In what way?
On the right side, I felt like it was tighter, but on this time, I feel like it's a lot smoother.
That's because I'm a smooth operator.
That's crazy how that does that.
Yep.
Awesome.
So, what would you have to say to our YouTube fans about your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
You guys aren't ready for this, but y'all need to come on up in here and try it out. I feel so much better.
That's just one adjustment.
Oh man.
You feel like you're standing up taller?
Yes.
Because you are.
Like standing up straight.
Yeah.
I've been leaning to one side.
For a while.
Yeah, now I actually feel the weight on my other
Distribution
foot. Yeah,
changing.
yeah.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
This is what I needed. I needed this Friday.
Welcome to Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing your experience with everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.
God bless.